See, अशें न्ही की एक केस जाली म्हणून वी आर बिकम हायपर एक्टीव. We were active, hyperactive before also, but the way it is carried out for an entire nation and world, that some myth that there is more drugs available in Goa, which is not. But we have started the crackdown so that the message spreads that there is zero tolerance for drugs. At one side, we started campaigning to educate the student not to have drugs, so that when demand is not there, supply will be not there. So slowly it is a long poison or long lasting things which is going on. It will take little time to eradicate this. Talking about me, I have never worked in Anjuna area belt in my 26 year career. So now first time I got the chance to work here as a device P. I work at Kalangud. Must have seen that there are massive crackdown on the drugs. Highest amount of drugs cases I have put. So now I have been given this charge of MAPSA STPO where Anjuna comes under me. So we will go all out to eradicate drugs. What has happened in the past, let's keep it as a example and go forward, so that people after some days or months will see that there are less drug cases happening, less drug death happening. It is a Honorable Prime Minister of India's birthday asa, आणि 1 week program Goa governmentan thरयला. So तातून हे cleaning the beach with the message that no to drugs. काल CM सरान सांगला. So I am also taking forward this message of Honorable CM. We have arranged this program with the initiative that with the message of Honorable CM that no to drugs. We are given the pamphlet for everyone from the drugs with the board. So with the message of Honorable CM is taken forward.